I heard the sound of the thunder, heard the sound on the earth. I heard the sound of the thunder, for who's on the turf. And I sung of the Curragh in the County Kildare, way up in the green hills, with your long black hair. And I saw you at Aintree and gone past it too. I knew that the Gold Cup was waiting for you. I heard the sound of the thunder, I heard the sound on the earth, I heard the sound of the thunder, for who's on the turf. And I had a big grin when you walked down that ring, but me just a punter, I knew you would win. With a burning desire, I felt it inside when I looked at you. Sure, you filled me with pride. I heard the sound of the thunder, I heard the sound on the earth, I heard the sound of the thunder, for who's on the turf. And the race course was crowded when the punters came in, down there at Cheltenham, to see who would win. No, I didn't worry, no, I didn't care. I put all my money upon the black mare, and the steward he shouted, hey, stay back from the line. And the black mare from Ireland, I knew she was fine. And how we shouted when she crossed the line. She was the first in the Gold Cup, and the winning was mine. I heard the sound of the thunder, I heard the sound on the earth, I heard the sound of the thunder, for who's on the turf. I heard the sound of the thunder,